ora e te whānau, ko Mariam tōku ingoa. Here in New Zealand we're celebrating 30 years since Te Reo Maori was recognised as an official language in the country. This taonga was actually almost lost, but on the 1st of August 1987 it was protected and the Maori Language Commission, also known as Te Taura Whiri e Te Reo Maori, was established. Remember that date, guys. Te rā tuatahi o Hiritori Koka e te tau kotahi mano ewa rau waru tekau mā whetū. 1st of August 1987. So it's only been 30 years and we still have a long way to go as a nation, but we have also come very far. Attitudes towards Te Reo Maori have changed. Also, it's been introduced into the kaupapa of early childhood education in many primary schools, meaning that our upcoming generation are becoming exposed to the language very early on. And also in recent years, more and more people like myself have jumped on the bandwagon to try and learn the language. So congratulations in New Zealand, tori tekau ngā tau, 30 years, kia kaha. Arohanui Aotearoa.